Muay Thai training in Keller. The Muay Thai training approach exists in many different forms, and there isn't just one universal way of training that will guarantee the development of a world-beating Muay Thai fighter. The term "many ways to kill a cat" rings true when it comes to Muay Thai training, but there is only one ideal result that all these different training methods aim to achieve, and that is to build the most efficient Muay Thai fighting machine. Muay Thai training in Keller for beginners. The Peak Performance MMA Muay Thai training regime for beginners usually encompasses a focus on the introductory elements to the world of Muay Thai kickboxing, with particular emphasis on instilling the right technique in a fighter, with the ultimate goal being that of teaching that correct technique. Beginner Muay Thai trainees will naturally focus more on the skillful side of proceedings, going through the motions to try and master the legal movements of the sport, which they can then deploy in combat. Beginners naturally have limited exposure to full-on combat, only subjected to full-on combat in short spurts, which are few and far between, with the aim of constant analysis of how they fare, where they are, where they want to be, and exactly what they can do to get there. This is the time when it is very critical to correct any detrimental habits and cut out all the bad practices, as it may prove to be much harder down the line, when the fighter has become comfortable with their fighting style. Muay Thai training in Keller for intermediate and experts. Intermediate Muay Thai fighters are naturally more comfortable with the fighting technique and have probably developed their own style by this time. So too the experts, who would have a bit more experience in full-on combat under their belts, hopefully with having endured a few losses so as to assess their weaknesses and work on refining those weaknesses, as well as identifying their strength and holding on to those. Muay Thai fighters who have made it this far will go through training regimes that are a bit more specialized, with the aim of maximizing strength areas which they can use to gain an advantage over the opponent, however marginal that advantage may be. Intermediates and advanced Muay Thai fighters who go through the Peak Performance MMA program will focus on training that entails elements such as strengthening, mobility, and mental sharpness, since the technique is already well developed at this stage. Contact Paul Halme at 133 Sports Parkway Suite, H. Keller, Texas 76248, or you may call 817-614-9325, or you may visit www.peakbjj.com.